Hi, Josh from JDS, and I'm here to share a time and money-saving opportunity for you on trophy orders. We have large inventories of this line of Inst-Award pre-assembled trophies that we discontinued a few years ago. With the current shortages of products available and the cost inflation we have all experienced, this might be a very economical way for you to produce trophies. Each trophy includes a 2x3 marble base, a metal check ring, a rod, the hex nut, a column, and the Inst-Award lid to accept the Inst-Award figures. We have some remaining inventory of the Inst-Award figures, or you can use the same setup and we'll show you how to convert it using a standard figure. Okay, so you really have two different options. All you have to do is remove the Inst-Award lid, which I'll show you real quick. Undo the nut at the bottom. We're going to remove our lid. You're going to need your own coupler, your own figure, and then in this case, option number one includes this riser, because we're matching, in order to use the same height of rod or length of rod, we're going to match the height of the awards lid. So in this case, take our coupler, screw it to the bottom, screw my rod in there. Put my coupler at the top. Now, using a riser like this, now I have reused the majority of the components from this Inst-Award. Now, some might say riser might be a little too expensive, so if I'm going to use a classic check ring, then I'm going to reduce my rod length. In this case, we reduced it by 1 inch, and now I can get rid of the more expensive riser, and of course the Inst-Award lid, toss that to the side, and that's your second option in order to use the Inst-Award products for an efficient and inexpensive trophy. Let's break down the cost of our two options. So the Inst-Award with riser, the Inst-Award package is 65 cents. If I add a stackable riser to work with the rod that comes with it, it's roughly 39 cents, bringing my total to $1.04. Remember, the Inst-Awards do qualify for a $99 free freight, cutting down on your cost of the marble. Let's talk about the cost of the Inst-Award with check ring. The Inst-Award kit is 65 cents, and if I don't have a shorter rod laying around, I do have to add an 11 cents to the total, bringing it to 76 cents, which is still cheaper than buying all these components individually. And now here's a listing showing the 6 popular colors these are available in, plus the figures we have if you choose to buy the Inst-Award figures with them. We hope you found this video very helpful. For more information, visit us at jdsindustries.com or call us at the number below. Thanks for watching.